it's Joyce. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. I know it's been like a couple of months since I actually posted on this channel because I was just taking a little break off. I just needed a little break to clear my head and do something for myself. So now I'm back, officially back, posting every other day. So let's get right into the video. For today's video, we're gonna be doing this little nappy ass hair. So, this is my hair. This is my full C hair. I've washed it and blow dried it out a couple of days ago, and it has just been a ponytail. So oh my gosh. Alrighty. Ow. Ow. Ouch. Oh. Lord. Yo, I haven't dealt with my natural hair in so long. It's just like I don't freaking know what to do. I'm just gonna add some oil. Jesus. I don't deal with my hair as much as I should, but I'm like trying to grow it out. So I should be dealing with it as much. Okay. So I don't know what I'm doing yet. styling gel. I haven't done my hair in so long. Like, it's actually crazy. Now I'm gonna just spray this brush with some water. I'll put some Eco styling gel. Oh. Over for some reason over here, I don't know what went wrong with this hairstyle. Like, I'm gonna put a picture of the hairstyle that I was trying to do. Like, my hair was just not acting right at all. Like, and I'm like, I don't know, cause I was literally like, I don't know. I was like, I'm trying to do whatever hairstyle in the picture is doing, but it just wasn't acting right. As you see, the wave and stuff is up in my hair. I don't know if it was the gel that I used. I don't know what happened, but it was like my first time actually trying this hairstyle. My hair was just it just wasn't working for some reason. Like, it literally wasn't working. I think at a point I just got so tired of me just trying to redo the hairstyle so much. Cause at one point I thought it was just like too much hair at the front, so I took some hair out. It just still wasn't working, and then I just settled for the hairstyle that you guys are gonna see at the end. Cause for some reason this hairstyle was not working for me at all. Like, I just did not know why. This is what I'm talking about. I was like, I don't know why. I put so much gel at that front. Like, I was like, I don't know why my hair was wavy at the front. I'm like, no, I don't want it to be wavy. I want it to be slick. It was wavy as hell. I was like, but what the fuck am I doing? Like, I was like, yeah, I know it's my first time trying this hairstyle, but I'm like, oh my god. But it was like, I think it's because I haven't really done my hair, my natural hair, in so long that I like immediately like don't even know what the hell how the hell to do my actual hair anymore. So I was just like, oh my god, what the fuck? Like, I was like, what the fuck is that? Like, literally. Yeah, so I will put like the picture of the hairstyle I was trying to do, so you guys can literally see. Like, I don't freaking know what happened. I'm just like, I don't know what the hell I went wrong. I don't know where I went wrong at, but I'm gonna post a picture, and we'll also just post the picture that I kind of just settled for, because I was like, you know what, I'm tired. I'm trying to fix this hair, so we'll just settle for this hairstyle. Okay, bye guys. I'm just gonna do all over. This is my false hair, but it just curls right up. Now I got wave at my front. think it's the fact I just haven't did my hair in so long, so I actually don't know how to do my hair now. So just like, it never used to take me this long to figure out a hairstyle with my hair, but now we do. So we would just add more gel. I don't know if I really like it or not, so. Yeah, I don't really know if I like this. Definitely feel, but something different. Yep. Alright, I'm gonna re-tie this part up real quickly, and then it'll be the end. Oh shit. Alrighty, so. Hmm, 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 hmm. Do, 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 do.
So as you can see, this is the hairstyle that we just settled for. Because I gave up at this point. I was like, I was over it.
This is what we came up with. So I'll be posting this video at midnight. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe for more videos. Bye bye.